The serial bank robber charged with killing a Cherokee County detention officer had his first day in court today. And this is Kelvin Simmons. He appeared on a video call before a judge in Swain County. He's being held in Buncombe County. And Simmons is charged with first-degree murder and the shooting death of Francisco Flates.
Investigators say Simmons overpowered officers and took a gun. It happened during a medical appointment outside the Cherokee County detention facility. They say Simmons then led deputies and troopers on a chase that ended in Macon County. He is held on no bond in the Buncombe County Detention Center.
Now, the SBI is leading this investigation, but details surrounding why Simmons was allowed to leave the prison and how he was able to overpower the officers are still very limited.
Tonight, News 13's Justin Berger reports on what we are learning and what questions we still have.
The SBI tells me there are 19 agents assigned to this case across a number of districts. I'm told the FBI is also being brought in to help investigate and facilitate since Kelvin Simmons, the man charged with killing Cherokee County Detention Center officer Francisco Flates, is a federal prisoner. I reached out to multiple agencies Tuesday, the SBI sharing the incident occurred inside an examination room. We know Kelvin Simmons is alleged to have taken Officer Francisco Flates' gun and shot him with it. The SBI says Simmons struck George Feinauer, the other officer, in the face, knocking him out. Details about whether Simmons was handcuffed or had his legs shackled were not clear. This is the email I sent to the Federal Bureau of Prisons. 11 questions specific to Simmons and policy regarding moving a prisoner outside of a detention center. Their public affairs office says someone will get back to me with a response. I had similar questions for the United States Marshals Service, but was told on the phone the Marshals Office does not release specific prisoner information. That would include Simmons. Monday, District Attorney Ashley Hornsby Welch said the U.S. Attorney's Office was considering additional charges for Simmons. In a statement, the U.S. Attorney for the Western District of North Carolina, Russ Ferguson, tells me, quote, "We are heartbroken over the loss of Officer Flates in the line of duty, and our prayers are with his family. This was a senseless crime. We are working hard with our law enforcement partners and state prosecutors to ensure that justice is served." Simmons is still awaiting sentencing for previous crimes he's pled guilty to. A spokesperson for Ferguson's office says that date will be set by the court. The Cherokee County Sheriff's Office sharing this photo of Flates Tuesday. The Florida Department of Corrections sending their condolences on X. Flates worked for more than a decade at Florida State Prison. We hope to have more answers for you on Wednesday as we continue to follow this tragic incident. Back to you.